Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I did a little purchase on the BoxyCharm pop-up store online that they do I think every month, and they always throw out good specials. I saw some goodies and I purchased some. So if you want to see how I did this look and what palette I used, keep on watching. I'm excited because I got to purchase two palettes that I was interested in from the BoxyCharm pop-up store online that they do monthly I think, and they throw out really good sales. And I bought this one from OPV Beauty London. This one's called Spotlight, and this actually retails for $41 and they only had it for $9. Let me show you how it looks. And I've never tried this brand before, so I'm eager to try it out. Right there I see a lot of fall colors, autumn colors, which I love and I'm ready for. That's why I purchased this one, because of those colors right here, the browns and the orange. And those shimmers look really pretty also. That's that one for $9. Hopefully it's good, I've never tried it. And then the other one that I bought was from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and this one's the 80s baby palette. Another 80s palette. And this one retails for $24.99, but it only costs $6. Let me show you this one. I've tried Pinky Rose Cosmetics and the quality is really good, so I'm expecting the same quality in this one. And look at those purples. Love that. I want to try this one because I've never tried it before, and because I really want fall colors, and I think this one would be perfect for that, so I'm going to use this one. Do you want to see swatches? I could do some swatches. Let's start. It has 7 mattes and 11 shimmers. I'm going to swatch the mattes first. Ooh, that's a nice brown. Let's get started. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so I started with this one, and I'm putting that all over my crease and above. Have you tried this brand before? Is it good? Seems pretty good. Well, at least this first shade. It's very pigmented. I'm gonna use Star now. Clean that brush. I'm going to use it again, and I'm going to use, let's try Dazzle Night. I'm going to keep that on the outer corner. That was actually lighter than I thought, so I'm going to use the black in there. And And from the swatch, it looked really pigmented. So I'm gonna use very little of it and just slowly build it up. And for $9, this is pretty good. They're working great. I mean, I've only tried mattes. I gotta try the shimmers, but so far so good. Going back in with the red shade to mix those two colors together. I'm gonna use my glitter primer from NYX, this one, so I can place the shimmers where I want. I take the first shade, which is this one, and put it next to the outer corner, right over here. It's like a copper red type of color. Kind of on a dry side. It's pretty dry. Let's try the other shade, which is Focus. This one seems more promising. Let's see. Oh yeah, that one's nice. Now we're talking. Let me see if I could go back to that red and kind of help it out. I'm gonna take that orange, the first orange, and just place it down here. Smoke it out down here. I'm gonna connect that over here and bring it down a little bit. Then I'm gonna take that red shade, the matte one, and put it right here. I love that color. And with an angle brush like this one, I'm gonna take that black and just put it right here really close to the lash line. I'm gonna put mascara, eyeliner, falsies, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. So I use this Pharmacy liquid eyeliner to do the wing eyeliner, and I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational for mascara. And I use the Wispies from Salon Perfect. I trimmed the outer corners so I can make an outer corner lash. I love these, and this is style 614. For lips, I use the Dose of Colors in shade Campfire, and I topped it off with the Lunar Beauty in Zaya, which is this one. I love this one a lot. This is so good. So I gotta say that I really like this palette. Pretty good. I like it. I mean, I tried 4 mattes and 2 shimmers, and all the mattes that I tried worked perfectly. They're very pigmented, easy to work with, very blendable. And the 2 shimmers that I tried, which was this one and this one, I gotta say that it was a little dry and I had to build it up. As you can see, I don't know if you can still see it. I tried to build it up as much as I could, but it takes more time to build up this one. The shimmer is more on the dry side, but this one was amazing. I like this one a lot. And for $9, I mean, come on, this is really good. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. I like that a lot. I trimmed the outer corners so I can click on the little bell to get notified every time I